First of all, good morning to everybody. And thank you very much from the depth of the heart to the founder, Mr. Narendra Thakur, Gaffer, Manisha, and all the organizations, all the institutions who are sitting today in front of me. I'm super excited. I'm very glad to see you in front of my face, in front of my eyes. And today, we are going to celebrate a function, a party, a collaboration, organization, association by which we are being together today. I don't know you are happy or not, but I know very well that just I'm absolutely happy to see your face today in front of my eyes. I would like to again thank you to my all volunteers, workers, managers, just who have given their contribution to manage to get this program successful today. I'm Mr. Kumar Pandey from Personality Development Coach. And today I'm standing in front of you. I don't want to take a lot of time from you because this time I would like to provide those students who have been preparing to display themselves in front of you today, to encourage themselves, to motivate themselves today. I'm standing here to tell you, to ask you to say something to you that why you are here, everybody. It's a party, it's a function, absolutely it's a function which we are going to celebrate. But once more, a synopsis which has been hidden behind it, that just we are meeting together. We are sitting together, we are collaborating together, we are participating together, to meet together. Just because of that, it is a part of communication by which we are going to see communication, share some connection to each other. And this is the greatest opportunity for us. This is the greatest luck for us that we are meeting together today. At the time of 15th October, is the day when Mr. Narendra Thakur established this collaboration organization institution. And today we have been contributing ourselves, sacrificing ourselves to make it more success. This institute till today. And by the grace of the God, by the grace of all the team members, today we are feeling that we are a great and significant achiever today. It is all about not the contribution of one member who has been connected to this organization. It's a contribution of all the members who have been lifted this weight at their shoulder to make this organization more successful, having the greatest advancement in their life. It is also contribution of all my students, all the students of all the teachers who are sitting and just who have been learning from this institute. And just because of you, we are a teacher. Just because of you, we are going to become a greatest significant achiever. It's your function. And thank you very much. I would like to just get a round of my speech today because this time I would like to provide those students, those aspirants, just who have been learning English, who have been learning and becoming aspirant of personality development from this institute, even who have been checking the technological knowledge from this institute. I would like to provide those knowledge. Those opportunity, those chance, those opportunity for today's student. Now, thank you very much to all the members. Thank you very much. Thank you for my dear staff.